Assalamualaikum dear students of class 4. How are you? Hope you all are good and safe at your homes. Dear students, I welcome you all in your online social studies class. Dear students, today we are going to complete our book page number 64 and 72. Kindly open your book page number 64. On the book page number 64, an activity is given to us, fill in the blanks. Okay, let's read with me carefully. Number 1, communication means keeping in dash with others. Here you have to write touch. Communication means keeping in touch with others. Okay. Number 2, radio dash dash newspaper and letters are means of communication. You have to write here television and telephone. Number 3, television allows us to dash and dash everything that the radio tells us. Television allows us to see and hear. You have to write here see and hear everything that the radio tells us. Okay. In Pakistan, newspapers are published in Urdu dash 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 and Gujarati. You have to write here English, Sindhi, Punjabi. Okay? In Pakistan, news are published in Urdu, English, Sindhi, Punjabi and Gujarati. Number 5, writing is a way of communicating through dash and dash. Writing is a way of communicating through emails and letter. You have to write here email and letter. Okay, number 6, Guglielmo Marconi developed the dash. You have to write here radio. Okay, dear students, you have to complete book page number 64. Let's open your book page number 72. Book page number 72. Dash means solid and dry surface of the earth, land or ocean. The correct answer is land. You have to write here land. Land means solid and dry surface of radio. Number 2, garbage is collected by dash trucks. Big trucks or municipality trucks. You have to write here municipality trucks. Number 3, garbage and waste should be dash for proper disposal. Buried or burnt. Garbage and waste should be buried for proper disposal. You have to write here buried. Okay. Number 4, our natural vegetation is damaged when dash are cut down. Animals or trees? Its correct answer is trees. Our natural vegetation is damaged when trees are cut down. Okay. Number 5, people should dash more trees. People should plant more trees. Number 6, we dispose of dash tons of garbage per day. 7,000 or 16,000? The correct answer is 7,000. Number 7 and the last one is there are dash recycling units and factories in Karachi. 300 or 400? The correct answer is 400. You have to write here 400. There are 400 recycling units and factories in Karachi. Okay, dear students, your homework is to complete book page number 64 and 72. After completing these two book pages, you have to do practice of book page number 64 and 72. Dear students, we will meet in our next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.